What's up, guys? Today we're gonna unbox all the parts I got from the RUCK SHOP. Let's hit that intro. Alright, so on the video that I went to go pick these parts up, I said people go ahead and go in the comments below and try to figure out what I got. And the first person that got it was... Sorry. This was a little before... like actually right after I got home, so you guys haven't seen that video, but I'll put your name right here. If you want to make sure you have that sticker that I promised on the other one, just DM me and I'll send it to you once they're ready. But let's go ahead and open this up. Let's open right here. Ooh. Can I get some drum roll? Alright, so what I did get was a CVT kit. It's got the NCY. Wow. Drive face. Little gold one. There's gonna be some color changes to this. There's a 15 RPM. Clutch spring, clutch bell, stickers and candy, as TRS does, because they're awesome, an Oco racing variator for GY6. Whoever said that it was going to be a racing variator, good on you. NCY racing clutch. And finally, the ankle biter. I'm going to be painting this specific color. If you guys want to guess what color that's going to be, you're more than welcome to do so in the comments. I'm going to install it once I figure everything else out. But until then, I'm just going to kind of look at these parts. Let me know what you think down below. I'm pretty excited about this. The racing clutch, the racing variator from Oco was actually Ryan. Burnout Bobby said they were pretty good, so I went with that. Everything else should be just kept stock from what I have on my GY6 right now. So yeah.
A few moments later.
As you can see here, it also has all the hardware. It has like the little spacers and everything on there, and these parts right here will go on the front, and if I'm not mistaken, on the back, to make sure that I don't accidentally get my ankle bitten by the ankle biter, because it has that name for a reason. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this new parts. I'll probably make a installation video later on, and let me know if you guys are looking forward to that. Until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. See you later.